Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this look in minutes. This wig is from Nadula Hair, so make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information. I will have it listed down below. But today we're going to be working with a glueless wig. These are the newest, hottest thing in the wig market and perfect for beginners, perfect for the hotter months coming up, and just super easy, you know? So this is how it looks up close. I just want to give you guys a little bit of close-ups because I did have a whole intro, but y'all, I lost my camera and I lost the footage. So this is what it looks like up close, and then we're going to do some styling and talking. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So this may be a personal thing. Somebody may put this wig on and it may lay perfectly, but as you can see, the lace it is actually blending in, but it is showing a little bit. So I'm gonna trim that extra. You see when I fold it back, you see that little extra lace? I'm going to just cut that in my own zigzaggy motion, ever so slightly. But I think because the lace is already cut, it kind of gives you a guide and it's not as much pressure as having to cut your lace from scratch, because I know that like freaks a lot of people out. So yeah, I'm just gonna like I'm literally trimming it. I'm not even cutting, I'm literally trimming it, and that's it. Well, I am doing a glueless install, but if you want to use your, let me show you, your lace spray, baby, flawless. I'm not doing that today because I really want to like test it and see if it's really foolproof, because they're saying that it's glueless, lace spray, list, all that. So we're gonna see. We gonna see, okay? And I believe this is a 5x5 closure, which you guys know I love. So I'm gonna make sure that this is even. It's kind of like an off-center part. So I'm gonna have to repart the hair. We don't want to leave the wig like this, so I'm just gonna take my spray. So I'm using my foundation powder and I'm gonna put it in the part so that I can see where I'm actually hot combing and get a guide. I do a lot of back and forth. I don't do anything in order. That's just how my brain works. I'd be like doing 50 things at once. So I like stopped mid hot combing and I'm like, I want to put powder in my part. So that's what I'm doing. Now back to flattening this. You guys know I don't typically use a wax stick, but I am going to, just so that it's extra flat, because I want it to be really, really sleek. So I'm gonna take the wax stick. You can use any wax stick. This one is from Lace Paste, and I'm just putting that at the root. Do not drag the wax stick down. It's gonna make your hair super greasy. Just do it at the roots. And I don't know, I'm thinking of doing like a Naomi Campbell kind of moment. I want to do it like straight and maybe like bump the ends or flip the ends. I feel like that's like the vibe of the day. So I'm going for more of a sleek type of look. So I'm going to take my Garnier Fructis and I'm going to put that all over. It's a serum, you guys, and it's so good. So this is the hair. It is a body wave texture. I will be leaving all the information for this wig down below per usual. But like I said, I'm gonna like straighten it and do more of a sleek look, because I feel like I've flattened the top so much that I don't want to have curls. Like I just don't want to do that. So I'm just gonna take random sections and I'm gonna be using my Conair. I love this flat iron so much. Like, do you guys see how that is straightening the hair? Like, please. Ooh, it's hot. So yeah, I'm gonna do it throughout the whole head. You guys know what flat ironing is like. Just take sections and gets to straightening. And this is how straight the hair is. Oh my god, it's so soft. This is how straight the hair is after one pass. And I'm about to do the whole head real quick. I just want to show you guys that. But I like to start from the back because it makes the most sense. You guys, look how this hair straightened. Do you guys see the movement and flowiness of this hair? Like, this literally feels like, I don't know, it's like a hybrid between like a raw hair and like, remember that good old Saga Remy? That's what it's giving. Like, but like an upgraded version of that, you know? Like, oh my gosh, it feels so good. So I'm gonna just go ahead and straighten the other side, you guys, because this is boring to watch. So I've straightened my whole head and it is looking silky and full. And let me tell you guys, whenever my hair is straight, I literally walk around with a rat tail comb because I'm constantly like this. Like, I like have this problem where I have to constantly like comb my hair, like, not because the hair looks bad, I just feel like when your hair is straight, you don't want to strand out of place. And baby, this is giving straight. No strand out of place. And I love the density of this hair straight because I hate when my hair is straight and it looks boneless and you can see my thoughts. Like, you guys see I'm going like this and you still can't see the back of my head. Like, it is just so straight. Oh my gosh. So yeah, the quality of this hair is amazing. Like, I literally cannot stop going like this. Like, it feels so good. And I'm very picky about what kind of hair I straighten and keep straight because all hair does not look good straight. I'm here to tell you that right now. Not a lot of it makes the cut, okay? So we're up close and personal, and I'm showing you again that the wig is indeed glueless. Hello, hello. You can take this off every night. You don't have to sleep with your wigs. You can touch your scalp. You can do all of that. This is truly a glueless and beginner wig. The adjustable strap in the back, or like the strap in the wig, is adjustable. So you're able to tighten it. You're not subjected to having a super tight wig every day. If you want it loose some days, because you know some days you just don't want all that. You can do that. And also the little grippy thing on the back is keeping that down so that it's not flopping around in the back, as well as the comb. So it looks so good, you guys. In my opinion, this is actually a beginner friendly wig. You don't have to pluck the wig, you don't have to bleach the knots, and you really don't have to cut the lace if you don't want to. And styling is very minimal. I decided to keep it simple because it wouldn't make sense for me to do an easy install and then overcomplicate the styling. So we'll save that for another video, but that's why I just straightened it. But you guys, literally, this is gonna be a wig that you need in your collection. If you're in between hairstyles, in between your hair appointments, but you really don't know how to do your hair like that, this is gonna be the one. Is this my most popular install? Is this the most scalpiana? No, but it worked and it looks good. I actually am about to leave the house. I will leave the house like this. This looks so good to me. It looks so sleek, and also, in addition to the wig being easy, the quality of this hair is like, it's up there. But Nadula always came through with the quality. I've been working with Nadula since forever. Doesn't feel like I have anything on my head. Let's just say that, okay? It's super light, and also the cap is breathable. It's not an actual cap. It's like ventilated. So if you want to, like, my finger's literally in my scalp right now. Like, I can literally itch my head. You're gonna have some breeze, some airflow, all of that. So this is gonna be a really, really good wig. I really think this is gonna be a staple in your collection. So make sure you guys check out the description box. I will leave all the information down below. Once again, shout out to Nadula for coming through with another wig, because I've been working with Nadula for a long time and I've never had a bad wig from them. Okay, so thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I didn't know if I should wave or do the peace sign, but bye.